If you want to connect TikTok to Whop, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process in the simplest way possible. This is a quick setup, but it's important to do each step carefully so your account gets verified properly. Once this is done, you'll be able to use TikTok with Whop for things like content rewards and other platform features that require a verified account. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Whop account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open your account menu. In the drop-down that appears, look for the gear icon next to your username. That gear icon takes you into your account management area, so click it to continue. Once you're inside account management, look at the settings bar and find the section labeled Connected Accounts. Click on that option. This is where Whop lets you link outside platforms like TikTok, so you're in the right place. Now scan through the list of available social integrations until you find TikTok. When you see it, click Add. Or if you see a plus icon instead, click that. This starts the linking process. A new window will appear, and it should be titled something like Link Your TikTok Account. In this modal, Whop will ask you to enter your TikTok account URL. This is where you need to paste your exact public TikTok profile link. Make sure it follows the standard format, like https://www.tiktok.com/@your-username. Double check that the link is correct and that you're using the public profile URL, because that's what Whop uses to identify your account. After you paste the link, click the blue action button to process it. At this point, Whop will read your URL and generate a temporary verification code. This code is unique to your account and is used to confirm that you really own the TikTok profile you're connecting. Now pay attention, because this next step is the key part. Whop will show you the generated code on screen, and you'll want to click that code to copy it to your clipboard. Keep the Whop tab open, because you'll need to come back here in just a moment. Next, open TikTok on your phone or device and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, then find the bio section. Paste the exact verification code into your bio and then save the changes. Make sure the code is copied exactly as shown, because even a small mistake can stop the verification from working. Once the code is saved in your TikTok bio, go back to your Whop tab. Then click the blue Verify button. Whop will scan your public TikTok bio and look for that exact code string. If everything matches, your account will be verified almost instantly. When the verification goes through, you should see your TikTok account connected successfully, and in many cases that green checkmark status will appear or become locked in. That means Whop has confirmed the connection and your TikTok is now linked. After that, you can go back to TikTok and remove the verification code from your bio if you want to clean things up. The connection should still remain verified, so you don't need to leave the code there permanently. And that's it. You've now connected TikTok to Whop and completed the verification process. If this video helped you, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.